So in today's session, we'll be seeing question number 13 and 14 in exercise 2.2 chapter called linear equation in one variable. So let's get started. A rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 by 2. So we don't know what is the rational number is, and they are saying that when we multiply this rational number with 5 by 2. So let us initially take that let the rational number be, or let the number be x, such that when you multiply it, so we need to multiply this x into 5 by 2. We don't know what is the rational number, so we need to multiply this x into 5 by 2. So let the number be x. We have taken the given is let the number be x, and we are multiplying this x with 5 by 2. So that is 5 by 2 into x is 5 by 2x. And add 2 by 3 to the product. So previously what operation we have done is multiplication. So product is also multiplication. So this 2 is implying this multiplication only. So 2 by 3 to the product. This is implying that we need to add this 2 by 3 to this multiplication which we have done previously. That is, we have multiplied x and 5 by 2, right? So that is what they are saying it as product, and to this product we need to add 2 by 3. Got it? So what we have to do is, already we have 5 by 2 x, plus to that we need to add 2 by 3 equal to, you get minus 7 by 12. So you get, in the sense, the result we are getting is equal to minus 7 by 12. What is the number? So here we need to find what is the rational number is. So let's find it out. We got the equation. Let's take all this number to RHS. So 5 by 2x equal to minus 7 by 2. We are taking this 2 by 3 to RHS. So as it's being in positive, if it goes to RHS, it will turn to negative. So we need to make denominator same. So we are taking LCM. So 3 4s are 12. So denominator will become 12. So 4 2s are 8. So minus 7 minus 8. Here the 5 by 2x remains the same. And now minus 7 minus 8, we need to do plus operation and put the greater number sign. So minus 7 minus 8 will be getting it as 15, and if we need to put the bigger number sign. So here 8, the sign of 8 is negative. So we are putting here minus 15 by 12. 5 by 2x remains the same. So in order to get the number x, we have to directly we can take this 5 by 2 and put it in reciprocal in RHS. So as we'll be getting, few people will get confused, so I am taking one by one. Before that, let us check it out whether this 15 by 12 is getting cancelled in any table or not. So 3 table, it's getting cancelled. 3 4s are, 3 5s are. So here I have taken it as minus 5 by 4. Now we'll take this 2 to RHS. So here you will be confused whether this x is for 5 or 2. So generally, if it is being numerator, you take it like this, 5x by 2. So this 2 is, will take here, will multiply this, minus sign is present here. I think it's very small, so you can't see. I hope so. Kindly noted that here minus is there. Into 2, we are, so 5 2s are 10, or else we can cancel it out here as it's being in multiplication. So we'll be getting minus 5 by 2. The 5x remains the same. So we need to get the value of x, then only we can find the what is the rational number is. So here it's 5 is in multiplication. If it takes here, it will be get divided and multiplied by the denominator. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2, as because 5 is being cancelled, 1 is present over here. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2 is the answer. So this is the rational number. This is what our rational number. So here now we'll see the 14th question. The question looks like quite big, but while solving you will find easy to solve. So don't worry. So in 14th question, they have given that Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has a currency notes of denomination rupees 100, 50 and rupees 10 respectively. So Lakshmi, a girl, is being a cashier in the bank. She is having a denomination of rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10. So here denomination, you need to know the meaning for denomination, then only it will be easy for you to solve the sum. So denomination enna, if suppose if you are having rupees 10, okay, so 10 rupees neenga vechirukeenga, 10 rupees it can be either one 10 rupee note, right? Otherwise it can be two 5 rupee coins. 2 5 rupee coins irundha, we can say it has the value is rupees 10, right? So it can be 2 5 rupees, அதாவது 2 ரூபா காயின் இருக்குல்ல, அது வந்து 5 அண்ணா இருந்துச்சுன்னா எவ்வளோ நமக்கு 10 ரூபா. So this 2 rupees, this 5 rupee is called denomination. How many denomination? For 5 rupee, in order to make it as 10, we need 2 5 rupee coin, so that we will be getting 10 rupees, right? So the two number of coins to make it as total, that is called denomination. Here the denomination is 100, 50, 10, but they have not, still now they didn't say anything about the total cash. Let's see what they have given further. So the ratio of the number of this note is 235. So this statement, what they are trying to say is, we don't know how many number of hundreds, 50 and 10 rupee notes are present, but they have given in ratio. So ratio means we don't know what the exact number of we are having. That is what the exact number of 100 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 10 rupee note we are having, we don't know. So in order we need to take it as X. So that is what for rupees 100, 50, 10. This is for your understanding. Even you can write it in exam also. It will be it shows the you have understand the question. Okay, so 2x, in place of 100 write 2x, in place of 50 down you write 3x, and rupees 10 you write 5x. Okay, so still here we can understand what they are trying to say. So next we'll see the total cash with the Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. This is very important, as because with this only we are going to solve the sum. So we got what is the total cash is. So we are having the total cash, the 4 lakh என்னென்ன denominationல இருக்குன்னா 100 rupees, 50, 10 இந்த denominationsல இருக்கு. அதாவது 100 rupee நோட்டு எத்தனை இருக்கும், 4 lakh வர வரைக்கும் 100 rupees நோட் எத்தனை இருக்கு, 50 rupees நோட் எத்தனை இருக்கு, 10 rupees நோட் எத்தனை இருக்கு நமக்கு தெரியல. So let's see what they have asked. How many notes of each denomination does she have? So 100 rupees, அதான் we need to find how many number of 100 rupees notes are present, 50 rupees notes are present, and 10 rupees notes. So let's find it out. So before starting, you just write it here, what are the ratio they have given. So first we need to write is from 100 rupees, what is the ratio? 2x. So whose ratio this is? This is for 100 rupees. So we need to multiply 100 into 2x. And for this 3x is multiplied with 50, as because for rupees 50 only they have given the ratio as 3. So we need to multiply rupees 50. For rupees 10 they have given what? 5x. So we need to multiply all this. Okay. So respectively you write all the values. After that what they have given is, if we sum all this, the total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. So if we add all this, how much the rupees, how much total she is having is 4 lakh. Here we got the equation. Now it's time to solve the equation, right? So we'll see. If we add all this thing, we'll be getting 400x equal to 4 lakh. Then remove this 400 to get the value of x. So x is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. So cancel this 0. 2 zeros are there. Cancel 2 zeros. Remaining 4. So 4 ones are 4 thousands are, right? So x is equal to, again I have written, okay, for 4 ones are 4 thousands are. So x is equal to 1000. So we got the value of x. Now what they have asked is to find the denomination. How much denomination does rupees 150 10 has? So we got the ratio as 2x for 100. So replace this x value here. We will be getting 2 into 1000 is 2000 notes. 50 for 50 we got the ratio as 3x. So 3 into 1000 is 3000. For rupees 10 we got the ratio as 5x. So 5 into 1000 is 5000 notes. So totally if you add, how many notes will be getting is 5000, 3000, 8000, 10,000. So totally 10,000 notes are there. If we sum all this, that is 10 into 5000, that is 50,000, right? Plus 50 into 3000, that is 5 3s are 15. How many zeros? 4 zeros, right? So 1,50,000. Again we need to multiply 100 into 2. So that is plus 200. How many zeros? 4 zeros. So 2 lakh, here 2 lakh, here 1,50,000, 50, here 50,000. So 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 50,000 plus 50,000 is 4 lakh. So we are getting the total cash as 4 lakh. Hence our answer is correct. If you have missed the previous video, kindly check out the description box. Thank you.